Okay, I apologize in advance if this video is 15 hours long. I'm sorry. But if it's not, you're welcome. Hey Corillo, I'm Nemesis. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. As I said in my last video, there are some new people here on my channel and I am so happy. I am so happy. Y'all have no idea. Y'all don't. Now let's get into the song of the week. Okay, I'm gonna be super honest with y'all. I haven't listened to anything else other than Evermore, Taylor Swift's new album. When I get into an album, bro, it's hard to get me out. But right before Evermore came out, I was actually starting to get into Miley Cyrus's new album. And Midnight Sky is such a good fucking single. I love rock and roll Miley Cyrus, love that genre for her. 10-year-old me who would die for Hannah Montana would be so proud right now. Okay, now that's out of the way, let's get into this video. So, as you saw by the title of this video, we're doing another hair video. Yay. So the YouTube algorithm has blessed your girl and has put my first hair video ever made kind of like low-key on blast. In honor of it being, you know, loved and recognized, I'm doing kind of like a part 2 to it. But also today I'm getting a haircut, and then later on in the video we're gonna do a refresh. For next day I'm gonna show you guys how I sleep on my hair and show you guys kind of like a week in my hair type of thing. Anyways, that's it. I'm gonna go to the hair salon. Well, here we are. We're home and it's actually the next day. It's the next day and I just freshly washed my hair this morning, styled it and diffused it, and this is the haircut. Okay, as you can see, we added some shaggy bangs that I have no idea how to style. I like it because it frames my face better than what I had before. I know I have to learn how to style this situation up here in the front, but we're gonna learn together. Okay, so first of all, I didn't show you guys my wash day routine from this morning because it hasn't changed that much compared to my first hair video. There's only been 2 little changes to that routine. So first of all, instead of using 3 stylers now, I'm only using 2. So in the first video, I showed you guys that I used my Curl Talk Defining Cream followed by my Cantu Gel, and then I finished it all off with my Curl Talk Mousse, which I still love those 3 products. I have just learned that my hair kind of reacts better the less products I use. So now I only use my defining cream followed by my gel, and then I go straight into diffuse. And the other thing that changed from my wash day routine is the shampoo and conditioner I've been using. So in my original video, I showed you guys that I have been loving the Rizos Curls shampoo and conditioner. Since I ran out of those, I've been using the Kristen S shampoo and conditioner. The shampoo I've been using is their Deep Clean Clarifying Shampoo, which has been freaking amazing. I've kind of discovered that my hair reacts so much better to clarifying shampoos versus moisturizing shampoos. And the conditioner I've been using is their curl conditioner. They apparently came out with like a curl line. I had no idea. Going with a clarifying shampoo and following it with a moisturizing rich conditioner, it has been fantastic. So yeah, those are the only 2 things that have changed in my wash day routine. Everything else has basically stayed the same. But I do want to clarify, just because I got a lot of people asking me this on my last video. No, I do not use my Denman brush every single time I wash my hair. Absolutely not. Today, I did not use it, like at all. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna cut this clip right here. I have to go to work, but tonight I'm gonna come back and show you guys how I sleep on my hair to try to preserve my little waves and curls for the next day. See you in approximately 12 hours. All right, bye. I'm back. It's 1 a.m. Yeah, this was first day hair. This is what my hair looks like at the end of the day. Still looks pretty much the same. All right, so there's so many different ways that the curly girls and the wavy girls of the YouTubes sleep on their hair. I use a little satin scarf. So this might not be the standard way of wrapping your hair in a satin scarf, but it's what's been working for me. So step 1, I have a little satin scrunchie. These are essential, girl. And I'm gonna pineapple my hair. If you don't know what that is, it basically is just doing a little ponytail but on the top of your head so you look like a little pineapple. Okay, I'm gonna do that real quick. This is how a little pineapple looks. Second step is I grab my little satin scarf and I fold it in a little triangle like this. I'm gonna put it behind my head like this. Take the two ends of the little triangle, get this out of the way. And I'm gonna do a little knot right here on the center of my forehead. So now I'm gonna take these two pieces and just, you know, hide them under the scarf. And I'm gonna secure the scarf on my hair because even though it's nice and tight and secure, I wanna, you know, take extra safety measures. So I'm gonna just take a couple of bobby pins and just put as many as I desire, as many as I feel like I need. All right, and that is literally it. Since I also have this little satin pillowcase, I don't care if my hair gets maybe squished a little bit on it because it's not really going to mess up the shape. It's not gonna add frizz to my hair, and you know, it's whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow for day number 2. Okay, it's the next day. Good morning. It's 10 a.m. I'm already late. I'm gonna be taking this off and showing you guys how I do my low-key refresh. Okay, this is what we're dealing with. It's a little crazy, but it's very fixable. It's very easy. Chill. Don't you even worry. Right, so for my low-key refresh, this is what I do. I'm gonna be using my water bottle and the same gel that I used on my wash day. So I'm just gonna go through my hair and figure out what pieces need the most refreshing. Definitely for me is the pieces down here that got very scraggly. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Let's do a little time lapse. So after I got all my little scraggly pieces all wet and scrunched up, they're not soaking wet, they're more like moist, humid. I'm gonna take a little bit of the gel and just scrunch it in, and that's it. It's nothing fancy, sis. I'm gonna try to do the same thing with my bangs. So I'm just gonna diffuse these little bits of wet hair and I'll be right back, okay? I'm back. Okay, my hair is dry. I put on some makeup, I got dressed, all right, and this is what we are dealing with now. All the pieces that I diffused and refreshed are now dry. They're back to being cute and swirly. But anyways, that's it. That's my low-key refresh for second day hair. It's nothing too complicated. I'll be back tomorrow to show you my third day heavy duty refresh. And yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, so okay, it's Wednesday, it's my third day, and plot twist, I am not going to be refreshing it today because I don't know, I woke up and I like what I got going on for me. I like that I got this swavy, loosey, wavy look. I don't really feel the need to refresh. I thought that my third day hair was going to look a lot more floppy and frizzy, and it doesn't. So I'm gonna be doing my more heavy duty refresh on fourth day hair, and that's great. That shows that whatever I did on my wash day and on my second day refresh worked, and it lasted through the day. And also, this is a reminder to you guys that you shouldn't feel the need to refresh every single day, especially when you don't have the time. And also listen to your hair, because I was ready to do a super in-depth refresh, and if I hadn't listened to my hair, if I hadn't just seen, oh wait, my hair doesn't actually look like it needs a refresh, it feels clean, it feels fresh, so why would I do the refresh? Just because on third day I'm used to doing it? No, just listen to your hair, look what you're working with, and then follow your instinct, you know? So I'm gonna go do what I have to do, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for fourth day refresh. Hey. All right, friends, we made it to day 4. I know my hair looks crazy. Relax. We're gonna do a more in-depth refresh routine. And for that, I am going to be using my mousse. This is a new mousse that I've been trying for a few months. And I'm also gonna be using this little baby right here that I also mentioned in my first video. So let's see what we're dealing with right now. What the fuck? All right, so my first step in my refresh routine is obviously to get my hair wet. So I will be doing that. Give me just 1 second. Okay, hair has been wetted. So before putting any product on my hair, I am going to do something that one of my subscribers commented in my last hair video. She said that I should put mousse after using the Denman brush. I mean, honestly, I've already tried it, but I want to try it on camera to see if it gives me the same results that it gave me last time, and to see if you guys might find it useful too, you know. I'm just gonna pick maybe like some front pieces, a little bit of pieces in the back, you know, and just do literally the same thing that I did on my first video. But if you haven't watched it, I'll show it again, because why not? So I basically just take like pieces this big, and I use the Denman brush kind of like the same way that you would use kind of like a curling iron, and just wrap it around. Ooh, it got tangled, and just wrap it around and then let it go, and then scrunch it back up. So I'm gonna do that in certain pieces that I see around my hair that could use some help, and then I'll be applying the mousse. This mousse has a really weird fucking texture. Like, it's not as airy as the one from Not Your Mother. I'm gonna just show you. It looks more like a cream than a mousse, like a creamy mousse. So I'm just gonna be scrunching up this whole pile of mousse all over my hair. I'm gonna add a little bit to my bangs. Well, I think that's actually too much for the bangs, but whatever, I'll make it work. And now I'm gonna apply this. This, I also like applying it with my head like flipped over, and I like concentrating it a little bit closer to the roots, because this is more for volume rather than definition. I'll show you. All right, that's a couple of spritzes right there. I'm gonna go diffuse. This is the boring part. So I will be right back when my hair is dry. I'm back. Okay, my hair is about 95% dry, but this is the result of my little 4th day refresh. It's not bad. I mean, considering this is 4th day hair, sis, this is not bad. Like, I will take this. All right, that's it. I'm gonna see you tomorrow for my 5th and final day of this week in my hair situation. Tomorrow is probably gonna be wash day. So yeah. Okay, corillo, welcome to day 5 of my hair. This is the final day, I promise. And as you can see, it's done. My waves and curls can't hold it any longer. It is dirty. It is oily. It is not cute anymore. And today, I'm either probably just gonna wear it like this for the rest of the day, or I might just wash it at the end of the day. Who knows? I really hope that I answered all of the questions that you guys left me on my last video, that you learned something new, or maybe got inspired to start your own wavy or curly girl, boy, gender non-binary person journey. But anyways, that's it. That's it for me. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Follow me on Instagram at Mimi06, and most importantly, boo, have a great rest of your day. Okay, bye.